Welcome back. PWD Minister Churchill Alamau has called family politics a political custom in Goa. He says Goan political leaders have carried the tradition of fielding their family members in politics since Bhausaheb Bandodkar's regime. Churchill has asked Parrikar to clarify BJP's stand on the medium of instruction issue if BJP comes to power.
Churchill Alamau claims that family politics is a custom in Goa. He said that first CM of liberated Goa, Goan Bandodkar, had introduced his daughter Shashikala Kakodkar in Goa's politics, who later took over as the Chief Minister of Goa. He also mentioned about the then leader of opposition, Jack Siqueira, and his son entering the politics.
This is not a dynastic, and जे पळे आज पळे कितें तरी कोण उलयता कोण बरयता ते फकत जेलसी पॉलिटिक्स आनी दुसरे पळे बरयताय ते भिरांती पॉलिटिक्स कित्याक ते चर्चिल म्हळ्यार भिताय चर्चिल म्हळ्यार पॉलिटिशियनां खंयची पार्टी आहा ती भिता.
Churchill Alamau has questioned Parrikar if his government would give grants to English medium schools if BJP comes to power.
म्हाका पारिकारान ओपन आन्सर दिवपाक जाय फाल्यां जे आमी काँग्रेसीन कॅबिनेटीन डिसिजन घेतलेलें आहा इंग्लीश मिडियमाक ग्रांट्स दिवचे म्हणून समज बाय फ्लूक तेगेलो सरकार पावर आयलो जाल्यार ते आमी कॅबिनेट डिसिजन घेतले तें तो कंटिन्यू करतलो काय तो तें भायर मारतलो तें हाल्यां आन्सर तेणें दितो.
Our reporter in Madgaon, Samir Bhatt.
There seems to be a divide among the Muslim community in the state. While some groups have called for boycotting the Congress, other groups have questioned this call, while some others have voiced their dissent over the use of Muslims for political gains.
All India Minority Front has vowed not to vote for Congress and have declared support to Mickey and Rudolph.
जिसमें पहला सपोर्ट अभी जो अनाउंस किया है वो मिकी पाशा को किया है, उनकी कॉन्स्टिट्यूंसी में गोवा विकास पार्टी, और एक हमने जो इम्पोर्टेंट किया है वो किया है शांता क्रूज में जो कैंडिडेट हैं विक्टोरिया फर्नांडिस के लड़के जो लड़ रहे हैं रूडिस फर्नांडिस, उसको हमने सपोर्ट किया है.
Meanwhile, a few other Muslim communities have rejected the call given by Goa Muslim Forum to boycott the Congress NCP.
हेणे जे पळय कॉल केला काल की आख्खे गोंया भितर आपूण बायकॉट करतले म्हणून काँग्रेसीक तेका हो रायट कोणें दिला आनी खंयच्या मुसलमानान दिला तें ताणें दाखोवचें.
However, some residents from Panji and other surrounding areas have voiced their dissent over the use of the Muslim community for political gains.
Nobody should issue statements saying we are going to defeat Congress or do not vote Congress. You issue in your individual name. We have got no objection on that. Please do not use Muslim community as your tool for your personal gains.
Our reporter Jason Suarez and Samir Bhatt with video journalist Ravinder Dalvi.
Rajya Sabha MP Shantaram Naik has alleged involvement of 4 BJP candidates in illegal mining. However, Naik has refused to name these candidates. He said he would do so at the appropriate time. He says most of the faces out of these 4 are new.
4 candidates of BJP who are in illegal mining.
Can you name them?
I'll tell tomorrow in my next press. I will tell in my next press conference. Sitting, I don't know. The question is, I think mostly are new ones.
Shantaram addressed media on Thursday. Congress Rajya Sabha MP had charged BJP of targeting the Congress party through the advertising agencies.
BJP consists of leaders who are cowards. It is only cowards who can issue such type of advertisements. We don't have daring to criticize political parties, and you do this cowardice. If you want to play hide and seek games, go to children's park. And if you want to attack us politically by hiding under the bushes, join Naxalite movement.
Congress has assured that minority issues will be taken up on priority. Meanwhile, sources inform that Oscar Fernandez along with senior leaders is trying to convince the rebels to withdraw from the poll battlefield. Our reporter from Panji Laukik Shilkar with video journalist Omkar Falari.
Panchayat of São José de Areal has resolved to inspect the proposed housing project coming up in their Panchayat area. This move by Panchayat has come after opposition from the locals. The locals gherao the Sarpanch for not updating minutes of the meeting.
Local from São José de Areal gherao Sarpanch. They are opposing the proposed housing project in their village. They claim that it will harm the environment in the village. Moreover, they claim that part of the property falls in the green conservative zone.
लोकांचे स्ट्रॉंग ऑब्जेक्शन आसलें पयलें ते सेक्रेटरीन ओवररूल केलें पंचायतान ऑक्युपन्सी दिली ऑब्जेक्शन आसतना सो आतां हांवें कडेन 100+ फ्लॅट्स म्हूण ऐकले एक्झॅक्ट हांव नेणा तुका फिगर तो पूण तेजेर आमगे ऑब्जेक्शन आहा तेका लागून आमकां कळोन जालो बाबा आमगे पंचायतान तेजेर कित्याक एक्शन घेतलें सो पंचायतान पयर बॉडी मिटिंगेर रेजोल्युशन घेता आसतना कांयच उलोवना हूंय पंचायत ओके रावले ते फायलीचेर म्हण आज येयले जाल्यार आमी ती सांगता आमी तेजेर रेजोल्युशन घेयना इन्स्पेक्शन म्हूण एलोंग विथ द इन्स्पेक्शन कमिटी सो आमगे जावपा आमकां दिसता विलेजरांक ते आमकां प्रोजेक्ट आमकां फ्युचरा माल.
Locals are also annoyed with the Panchayat as Panchayat Secretary failed to update the minutes of the meeting which resolved to inspect the area. Miria questioned the Sarpanch about the delay.
18 तारखेक 4 o'clock inspection दवरला.
मीटिंग घेतलेली न्ही कितें केलां रेजोल्युशन कित्याक बुकाचेर बी बरोवना तुमी
बरयलें न्ही तेणें
केन्ना बरयलें केन्ना मीटिंग केन्ना जाली आनी केन्ना बरयली
चयता मरे सदां सेक्रेटरी मीटिंग जालें उपरांत 4-5 दिसांनी मिनिट्स फेराचे बरयता पयलीं ड्राफ्ट बरयता त्या ड्राफ्ट बरयलेलें आहलें तेणें
पूण 4-5 दीस कित्याक लागून जालें इतलें लेट
तें तेका विचार तूं सेक्रेटरी मदीं सेकंड सॅटर्डे एक येयली आनी संडे येयली आनी काल मंडे लिव्हीर आहलो तो
म्हणून लेट जाली
हय
आतां
बरोवन घेतलें.
A reporter from São José de Areal, Savio Dice.
We now move in for a short break. Stay tuned.